electromagnetic radiation of wavelength 242 nanometer is just sufficient to ionize sodium atom, right? Sodium atom. Calculate the ionization energy of sodium in kilojoule per mole. Now, what is this energy? What is this energy? This is just sufficient to ionize, right? It means, suppose this is a sodium atom, there is an electron outside. Now if I am applying this much of wavelength, means there is some energy associated with this wavelength. Now this particular energy is sufficient to remove this. It means the given wavelength or the given wave has got the energy which is equal to its ionization energy. Now what we need to find out, you just think that we are taking up the wave of how much wavelength? 242 nanometer. Now this particular wave has got some energy. Now that energy is sufficient to remove this electron, right? So if this energy is sufficient to remove this electron, it means what? This has got the energy which is equal to the ionization energy of sodium atom. That is, this wave of wavelength 242 nanometer has energy equal to the ionization energy of sodium atom, right? So what we need to find out is, let's first find out the energy associated with the wave. How can we find out? The energy associated with the wave is equal to hc by lambda. Now you know the value of h. It is how much? What is the value of h? 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 into the velocity of light here is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and that is divided by the wavelength. Now what is the wavelength here? It is 242 into 10 to the power minus 9, right? I have written minus 19. I'll just correct it. So the energy comes out to be 0.0821 into 10 to the power minus 17 joule per atom. So students, this is what? This is the ionization energy of one atom. What is asked? Calculate the ionization energy of sodium in kilojoule per mole. So this is in joule. You need to, like, this is for what? This is for one atom. So in kilojoule per mole it would be, E would be equal to, how many particles are there in 1 mole? It is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So if I will multiply this with 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, and if we are going to divide it with 1000, because it is in kilojoule per mole, right? So we will get our answer, and it is equal to 494 kilojoule per mole, right? So what is the ionization energy in kilojoule per mole? It is 494 kilojoule per mole, right? So your answer over here is 494 kilojoule per mole. So this was also a simple question, I suppose. It's just that the wavelength is given. You should know that if something is given with a wavelength or frequency and such type, it is just sufficient to ionize. It means it is saying the ionization energy.